to get this down here, I stuffed this with socks. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a little bit different because I am in New York for Fashion Week with Walmart. I'm so excited to be here. This is my first New York Fashion Week and we did get in last night. I'll go ahead and put some footage up on the screen because I really liked my Walmart outfit. It was head to toe Walmart. My little zip up hoodie was only $15. My t-shirt was 10 and the joggers were 10. But everything from the jacket, the shoes, even my little travel bag that I know you guys have been loving was all from Walmart. And I'm so glad we got in last night because Walmart got a crazy snowstorm this morning, although now the sun is coming out. But so I'm glad we got in last night. Some of my internet friends have had a little bit of a hard time getting in, and actually my day today was canceled, which is totally fine. That does give us some more time to shoot the Walmart looks that I brought. Now I did bring Walmart pre-spring items. If you can't tell by my Walmart PJs that I have on, this is definitely not winter PJs, but I think we're gonna get out there and we're gonna brave it anyway, share some Walmart looks. And then we do have the Brandon Maxwell show tomorrow, which is the main event of why I'm here. And so Brandon Maxwell does have his own line that he's having a show for here, but he also was on Project Runway. I got to spend a little bit of time with him last year. He's awesome. And he's the creative director for Scoop and Free Assembly at Walmart. So I'm excited to see him, some of the Walmart team tomorrow. I will take you guys along with me. But now I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. We can get into some Walmart looks. New York with my mom, and we are only here for 48 hours, y'all. Look at how many pieces of luggage we brought, and we completely forgot to pack a steamer, but it's okay. Target Instacart for the win. Okay, so first outfit up, I just have on my cropped Amazon tank top. I am wearing this with a racerback bra, and you can see just a little bit of my bra. If I was wearing this in the summertime, I would do the Amazon pasties instead, so I didn't have a bra line, but I'm about to put a jacket on, so it'll be totally fine. And then I'm wearing the Madison NYC cargo jeans. These jeans are so awesome. I forget how much they were. I'll put it up on the screen, but they do have functional cargo pockets. They're a great wash. They go with a lot. And then I'm deciding in between both of these jackets. So I have this little no boundaries cropped kind of bomber style little teddy that I feel like is very appropriate for the weather right now. This went in my Walmart's favorites video. If you guys missed that video, it was a good one. And then another tried and true favorite, the Scoop Moto jacket. This is one of their new spring colors. I feel like both would look good. I'll show you guys my accessories. This might help make the decision. All right, and for accessories, I have just these white platform sneakers. These are from Adidas. These are my favorite white platform sneakers. And then ooh, the item that I'm most excited about, I ordered this bag specifically for this trip. It is this Coach mini heart bag. It's in their new quilted pattern. It does have silver hardware. And y'all, she is so small. To quote one of my favorite YouTubers, Cassie Thorpe, she is TBE, tiny bag energy. You can maybe fit a couple of cards in here. Oh, I forgot to get this down here. I stuffed this with socks. I can't. You have to use all available space. Anyway, you can probably put a couple of cards in here. Your cell phone's not gonna fit. You're gonna have to put that in one of your many cargo pockets. Let's see, let's try on both the jackets. I like it. Definitely has an oversized look. Also has the silver hardware, so it would match the bag nicely. I could kind of do a little bit of this. All right, option one. All right, number two is the no boundaries. I think I already like this one better. It's cold outside, you guys. I'm cold currently in my hotel. This is not crop top weather. Okay, I think I like this one better. I'm definitely cozier. All right, so here's how the look turned out. I'm so far away from y'all. I will put other footage up on the screen, but I love how this turned out. It's very casual, gonna go kick around. I love all of my many cargo pockets. And if I didn't already mention this, it's Valentine's week in New York, so the heart bag is just very appropriate. All right, I'm running just a little bit late for dinner, but you know what? We always have time for the outfit. So tonight I'm wearing this white Amazon bodysuit. I like that this has a deeper V neckline. That way, if I do want to wear the blazer buttoned up, it will look like that's all I have on, that it's buttoned up as a top. And I'm wearing the matching scoop trouser pant. I love the color of this suit. And for accessories, I'm going with these Vince Camuto pointed toe heels and this Amazon bag. I just got this in and I love it. The quality is so nice. It looks like a designer bag for a fraction of the price. You can either wear this on your shoulder, you can wear it crossbody, but you also can take the bow side, pull it up, and you can actually wear it on your shoulder, which is how I saw Sophia Richie wearing the designer version recently. And on Amazon, this does come in 2 sizes. This one here is the larger. I just got the smaller one in, so when I get home, I will put some footage up of them side by side so y'all can see the size difference, but it's a really nice quality too. It is so cold outside, so I am going to wear my Scoop faux leather trench coat. I love this trench coat, so I'm happy to have any excuse to wear it. Good morning, it is the day of the show. I'm so excited. I just finished my makeup. I'm about to put on my lip combo I've been using recently. I've done my hair and then I'm gonna get into my suit, which I can't wait to show y'all. But for lips, I've been loving these products. So I am using the Maybelline Color Sensational Lip Liner in 105, so it's a nude whisper. I'm using Maybelline's lipstick, their cream lipstick, in 920, and then I'm finishing it off with Summer Friday's new lip oil. I've tried out several of her colors, but this one is my favorite. It's Blush Dream. So this is what it looks like before the lip oil. I think that's such a good nude combination, but I really like the way that this looks just on top, just to add a little pop. I love how this looks. It has kind of a color, no color finish to it, and it goes with everything. Oh, and I was so excited to get to my show outfit. I almost forgot what I have on. I'm in the Skims Hotel Collection PJs. This is a little short set. It is really soft, but I love this short robe from Amazon. So let me back up so y'all can see the whole thing, but I really like how this is a short style, so it's not too long, it's not too bulky, it is just right for around the hotel. And it does have this kind of tonal animal print, sort of looks like a zebra print. And if you've watched any of my Amazon videos before, you know I absolutely love these smiley face slippers, so I did bring them in pink. All right, y'all, here is the banana or stick of butter. You guys be the judge. Let me know in the comments. Suit of my dreams. So I'll get some other footage because I can't really get far enough here, but I'm in these very high-waisted, fabulous wide leg butter yellow pants and then the matching suit top. This is from Brandon Maxwell. My little bandeau that I'm wearing here is from Free People. For jewelry, I think this is actually all from Nordstrom. And I do have it on with my Scoop Walmart heels. And I did go vintage with my bag. This actually was my grandmother's bag. It's a Ferragamo bag. Looks perfect with the black and the chain detail. Oh, isn't she pretty? And I might finish off the look with some black sunglasses, probably my Amazon ones, but this is the final look. All right, so the event was pretty loud, so I am going to do a voiceover for this portion, but here I am on my way to the event space. This was at Dougal Greenhouse in Brooklyn, and it was a really cool industrial space. Here we are waiting outside for the event to start, and then as I make my way inside, everything was just so beautiful. They brought in all this white carpet, all these white chairs. Everything had this very dreamy, heavenly look to it. I did meet up with a couple of other Walmart influencers that I was so excited to see, and here the space is filling up. We are waiting for the show to start, and a big thank you to Walmart for these amazing seats. We were the first seats right in the very front. This is Brandon Maxwell's Fall 2024 show, so it was very exciting to get a preview of what's coming our way for fall. The show was spectacular. I would wear every single one of these looks. From the feminine draping, I also quite enjoyed the pops of red in the shoes. We know red is a really big color trend. And speaking of color, I was also very pleased to see so much gray in this show. It looks so elegant. It was really well done. And maybe my favorite trend that I saw was the big bag. I'm here for a big work bag, a big travel bag. So I just thought everything was so stunning. And there is Brandon himself. I did see that the Brandon Maxwell YouTube channel just uploaded uploaded a full video of the show, which I highly recommend. The music, the lighting, everything was beautiful. So I will link that below. And then immediately following the show was the Walmart fashion luncheon. So all we had to do was head upstairs, and it was just so special that all of this was included in one day. Everything looked stunning, from the table arrangements. I also love how they left us little chocolate candy hearts because it was Valentine's Day. They also gave us sweatshirts with our initials on it from Free Assembly, and the way the light hit everything, I really don't think it could have been any prettier. I also loved this quote that they had up on the wall from Brandon that says, "Everyone deserves to have access to well-designed clothing at an accessible price." And it's very obvious from talking to Brandon, his team, the Walmart fashion team, that they really have such a heart for everything that they do. So it meant so much to me to get to be a part of it, even in a small way. And then it was a surprise of the luncheon that they showed us the spring Free Assembly and scoop pieces presentation style. So they were walking around while we were all having lunch, and we got to hear from some of the Walmart design team, which was just the coolest ever. And who recognizes my blue scoop suit, by the way? I will have all these looks listed below in the description box if you guys want to shop any of these spring styles. But it was awesome getting to see the clothes in motion, getting to see how they styled everything. And it was such a bonus getting to hang out with some of my favorite Walmart fashion influencers. All of these girls are the sweetest. I will have their handles listed below. I really just had the best day humanly possible. So a big thank you again to the entire Walmart team, to Brandon Maxwell for making, honestly, my New York Fashion Week dream come true. So I'm about to head out to get a bite. I'm having a quick outfit change. There's a lot of outfit changes for such a short trip, but today's look, I am wearing the Scoop long sleeve layering tee. This is really soft. I like how it has the double layer built in. I did pick this up in a small because I wanted it to be a fitted first layer, but I also easily could have sized up in this as well. It's available in a couple of other color options. And I am wearing it with my Abercrombie jeans. These are their 90s high-rise style. It does have this one distressed knocked out knee, and then it does have a raw hem. And then for shoes, I just got these in from Sam Edelman. I actually got these on Amazon, and they're this metallic little kitten toe pump. They're pretty comfortable, so I think it'll be fine for walking around. And because it is very cold outside, I'm going to finish off the look with this satin bomber from Scoop. I love the look of this jacket. I wasn't sure how I'd feel about the color. It's also available in black, but it's even prettier in person. It has great design details. This is quilted here, silver hardware. It does have pockets, but definitely the star of the show is this ruche detail down the sleeve. I've seen that on a lot more high-end bomber jackets, and I'm adding a little bit of sparkle. So I do have this sequins Coach bag, which this bag is 30% off right now. I did pick it up in the silver. The strap is actually a blue-gray, and then it does also come with a longer crossbody strap. All right, and so here's the final look. I like how this is casual, but it does look a little bit nicer, a little bit more elevated. And even though it's 30 degrees outside, because I'm wearing pink, it does seem like I'm more ready for the spring season. All right, y'all, I'm in the airport, so I hope you can actually hear me, but I had the best time during my Walmart New York Fashion Week. The show was beautiful, so big thank you again to Brandon Maxwell and Walmart for inviting me. And a quick airport OOTD, it's still pretty chilly here, so I did want something cozy. I am in my Skim sweats. This is my first pair of Skim sweats I've ever ordered, and I get the hype. They are really comfortable. I also like that you can do the draw cord on the inside if you want to bring your waist in a little bit, because sweats can be kind of bulky. And then I'm also wearing this Amazon vest. It is a look for less of the Free People vest, and I like this one because it is a little bit longer. And then I'm finishing off the look with my pastel Nikes that I feel like match perfectly, and my luggage set here is from Base. If you're interested in any of the items that I shared, any of the looks, I'll have them listed below in the description box. But I just thought this was such an epic view. It is a great way to close out the video. And if you love Walmart, be sure to hit the subscribe button. I have a new Walmart unboxing coming very soon, and I will see y'all in the next one.